In this video, I'm going to show you our latest feature of our standby list, or what is also known as the waiting list. So that report can be found under reports, and it's under the patient reports called standby list. So what the standby list is, it's a report of everybody who's been added to this on hold bar at the bottom of the appointment scheduler. So there's two ways that you can add a patient to the on hold bar at the bottom. You can simply drag them from the scheduler to the bar at the bottom, or you can press the add, and that will bring up the patient search field here, and then you can add them this way. So it's important that when you are adding the patients to the on hold bar at the bottom, that you put the specific appointment details that the patient needs. So if they need to come in on a particular day or a particular time, you can add that as an appointment note on the actual appointment itself, so it's easy for you to find. So this particular patient needs an appointment on any day just after 4 p.m. So I've just written that note there. So let's go to our standby list report. So in here, like all of our other reports, you can manage your column visibility. So what you see and what you don't see here. This is a user preference. So whoever you're logged in under at the time, you can set your own preferences, and it can be different to another particular user. So to do that, on the right hand side, click Manage Column Visibility, and you can untick or tick whatever boxes that you prefer in here. So if I don't want to see any of the icons on the appointments, I can simply remove those from my view. If you want to save it, so every time you come back in here, it's like this, you must press Save View Options down the bottom. So how we can manage our standby list. So if the patient has said that they want an appointment that's not available at the moment in your scheduler, you can add them to the standby list by adding them to the on hold bar at the bottom. When you've got them added in there, they appear in this report. So you've got the appointment duration, how long they need for the appointment, the provider, if you've added those details to the appointment. Here we can see our appointment notes. You can add treatment types if you prefer as well. And from here, you can assign the appointment in the scheduler. So to do that, you'll click on Assign the calendar here. What it brings up is the appointment block search. Now there is a video specifically on this. If this is new to you and you haven't seen this appointment block search, please see the video in our YouTube channel for more detail on this. But what this can do is, if a patient has specified that they're only available within a certain time or a day, you can tell the system, I only want to find an appointment on, let's say, on a Monday only, by unticking all other days. If it's a time range that they've specified, you can specify that in here. So once you've got your parameters entered, you can click search. Now, obviously Dr. Jen doesn't work on Mondays, so I'm just going to turn all the days back on. And now it's displaying all appointments of 30 minutes in duration for Dr. Jen on any of these days. So I can simply find the appointment that the patient can attend. When I find it, I can click on it. So let's just pretend it's this appointment here, Friday the 22nd at 12:30. I can click on that appointment there. When I click Go to Date, that appointment has now been rescheduled for me. So they've been taken off the on hold bar at the bottom, and they're now in the scheduler.